other musicians, apart from Captain Planet, Penamats, the Wakasa, and Kafuni now, why is Zing? One pedal be a tag one day, why you off party, another party B. But Shatta also on our balls. Shatta say he be the man where he be.
Yes.
Atasa. Into an ASM movement and I did a work a coward out with a chair. Minister Papa Minister Shatta so demand apology from that talking.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Okay, able to see for from VJ Parkour Rich. I had me a Parkour Rich Studios with YouTube. So subscribe. About show Facebook, about show TikTok. But I had to make a full video now about my kakraswa yeah brother. No kotokuma able to I'm not here alone. Man, I'm a brother.
PKB original.
Yes, I.
MC PKB.
That's my record. Yeah,
man.
That what's the yipayaza or sayi? That today we are going to talk about Shatta Wale. Yes, yeah. Ended that or the be a Ghana boys in the streets and other boys and when you want J The PKB screenshots and read the para audience and I want to say as a Shatta Wale yeah I am one about though.
And of course, senior Okayana at forcing current minister for finance Edibe to just say Obe cancel e-levy, I cancel other taxes also COVID levy no kobo betting tax and so into the boys nini aje pa omuwie ya na former minister Mohammed Amin Adam Subaya say omo wa ben mo MPP for wa ben omo anfa omo implement betting tax bia nti hwi ni wa omo be abolish and I say na ya tin e beti na ya no sika na e fa hen say na Shatta Wale so say ni ani otwabi odi omudi ni bia ono so one boys na the street into no so ni age wa ba react na Shatta Wale reaction in na ne say me kan ma wetie we wasumwa or say please say who is the we no or you are talking about we WEE because it is true we cannot implement that which is the WEE cannot implement that it be wicked human beings like you who can do that or you think the we which is the WE is you and your coat. You forget say you be worker under the MPP government or which we are you referring to? Don't make a ball. Don't make a ball. Just apologize to Ghanaians. Otherwise, your we party will we and we will not vote for we again.
Obi Bakare Wale we July Shatta Wale wa ball up and I think he has every right to be angry because Sebi oye bufu sampa de former minister say I won't put the last minute now match and what the oye what friend injury time was at what the trouble and a bobo be a best so everybody back cancer ma say you are not privy to it or another sabato ebe honorable amino. Yesterday, I'm out for crowd or bristle there. Now, while I get Cremonia was Ramadan, Sabi, and the Bolata de Chantoli de. No one Samayana. But you see, there is one thing that you can't hate Shatta for.
No.
When it comes to the street language now, I'd say.
Of course.
Because on the majority of the audience now will follow what streets and all.
Yeah.
And then once soon where investors were betting communities in.
Yes.
Nankasa betting or trebi.
Yeah.
Betting yeah, what's in the mama or yeah influential faces in the public figures one advertising adi on ankaso trebi low key. Into my back end channel there. Betting on where Tramawa on the taxes were done. On yards OC. And people are asking this question. Now, most of implementing are still what's it all boys are. Then I think fraud be a kodo baby. And people for bring that money. Inti Shatta Wale July obedi youth in him. You go back up the youth say, nah, damn unnecessary tax and stupidity are sabi. Yem paying you for being more put on display no. or they were cut enough. And I like in the position I will take it because he's the voice of the streets. In times like this, and Oba defend the youths now. Youths will be happy. And I'm very happy that all other musicians, apart from Captain Planet, Penamata, the Wakasa, and Kafuni now, why is Zing? One pedal be a tag one there, or your Ofi party, another party B. But Shatta also on our balls. Shatta say he be the man where he be.
Yes.
Atasa. Into an ASM movement, and I did a work a coward out with a chair. Minister Papa Minister Shatta so demand apology from that talking
Yes.
talking PKB man will say I don't know if you get something you want to tell on
about Wabonyo betting tax.
Oh, he dropped song
already. Yeah,
Shatta don't cheap songs. Shatta the beat and I can so harder down. It's here content na wow Shatta.
Betting tax. Episode mobile plaza in the crowd.
I see. But one KBA woman.
Oh, Wakika na dream pa.
But
Onya clean.
One part of the ammo to football.
Or the mom cry.
Or the ammo to football.
SM for no many I just say at least chairman they are born you men are all concert former minister and apologize because they okay no.
And can you cry? Honorable Ami, and can you cry? Shatta.
Yeah,
very certain.
Charlie. Of course, Charlie. Of course, Charlie. The
man also.
Umbra number apologize and big ups to Shatta Wale, of course. Always fight over the street, king of the street.
That's our side. SM. Since you under the your time waiting for life. For life. All and off and channel so I'm with there and one and yes, some of the crowd, they cool. Yeah, sweet quotes. No. It's a portrait. Go and subscribe to the channel, Paco Rich Studios. Let's vibe. Big ups to the SM movement, Sammy Flex, and Alan Kadufu now. Roland. And that's all Papa was say or cry. Why Jinidin, why Jinidin walk on the paddle? May you feel in the pa. That's why they don't be all be like it's in their back kind of quarter pa. All right, guys. We're out of here.
Yeah, peace.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the Rich